I don't know, but since when is 87 degrees supposed to feel like 180? This is crazy business out here. God is not joking. 87 degrees, man. My son can be out here playing in this 87 degrees shit. I can definitely walk and go get his ass because he's not trying to go home right away anyway. For some reason, this boy's going to want to run around for a whole nother hour at the playground at school. Crazy business. Don't know how you do it. Yesterday, though, he told me, Dad, I'm sweating. I'm sweating. It was a good thing I parked the car around the corner because it ain't never no parking. But today, for some reason, I did not hop in that car. I decided we could just walk. I feel like a fucking idiot. Damn dummy. I ain't foolish. But today I didn't do the smartest shit. Wasn't smart about this trip at all. Good God. Anybody else out here got a day so hot? Make you question the Lord's purpose of doing this. Everything, I grow plants. This heat and rain is damn near destroyed my shits, man. That's God's way, I guess, of making sure you water what needs to be watered. Even if there's rain involved. All right, y'all. Almost made it. Me and the homie gonna chill out and kick it at the park. Y'all have yourselves a solid day. And God bless. Shout out to the man upstairs.